Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and I'm going to show you today how I cinch my magic circles. I usually don't like a little hole showing in the center of a circle when I'm doing the top round of a hat or when I'm doing a granny square. See if I can find granny square to show you what I'm talking about. Yeah. See that? That is cinched. I'm going to show you how to do that. First, you have to start out with your tail end. That's what's very important. So I'm going to wrap it 3 times. That's considered one, or maybe half of one. 2, 3. Then I'm going to take I'm going to slide it off a little bit so I can fit my hook up underneath right there. And I'm going to catch the working yarn. No, I thought it was. Right there, now I see it. I'm going to catch the working yarn. Still not going to bother this tail. I want to leave the tail out of everything. Now I want to lock that in. Do another one because I'm doing double crochets. I'm going to do 12 of them to go around to show you what I'm talking about. Consider 1, 2, 3, 10, 11, 12. Now the whole time I went around that center, I kept this out of play. And I'm still going to keep it out of play. And I'm going to finish off a little small circle here. There it is. Okay, that's how you normally would do 12 double crochets in a circle. I'm just going to pull this. At least you don't have to do all that, but I'm doing it so you can see better. Now at this point, it's time for me to close the center. And you do that with the tail end. Pull on it. Now watch how it go close. I'm trying to turn it over. Okay, now at this point it's closed pretty good, but I want it shut. So I'm gonna just pull on the tail, and you'll feel it when it gives, and there it goes, right there. It is completely closed, and you can continue on. Crocheting however your pattern or however you like it. Okay, and that's how you cinch a magic circle. Want to see me do it again? Ten, Better keep this out the way. Better stay out the way. And this is the last one. Now go ahead and finish your round. A little cumbersome, but it always is when you press on something. Okay, circle is completed. Now, in order to get it to cinch, pull here. See how the circle's going close? Pull some more, and you'll feel it give. It's gonna cinch. Sometimes it takes a little coaxing. It's closed pretty good right now, but it's still a little peekaboo right there. There. Now that ain't coming open. Can't see anything. It is closed. That's how you cinch. Oops. I'm trying to figure out which way I need to go with this thing. That's how you cinch a magic circle. You can just continue to crochet, not have to worry about anything peeking out. Unless you want it that, then I suggest you do the regular circle, the slip knot, 4 chains, and then back into the first chain, slip knot again. But that's how you cinch a magic circle. Cool?